Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio. So let's get started. First of all, you can open any experience in Roblox Studio and click on this AI assistant icon at the top right corner. Once you do so, you'll be able to see assistant over here. So click on these three dots and you'll be able to see the option of manage MCP servers. Click on that. And here, make sure that you're on MCP servers and you'll be able to see the option of enable studio as MCP server. So you're going to simply toggle that on and then you'll be able to see setup instructions. So simply click on that and you'll be able to see JSON configuration. So you're going to click on this clipboard icon in order to copy your JSON configuration file. Next, you're going to head over and open your Claude AI and click on your settings in Claude AI. And within settings, you're going to click on developer over here within desktop app. And here you'll be able to see edit config. So you're going to simply click on edit config. Here you'll be able to see Claude desktop configuration JSON. So you're going to right click on it and then you're going to open this file. Click on open with and simply select any program that you wish to open it with. So let's simply select Notepad. So here is Notepad. Simply open this configuration file. And now here you can see is the file. So you don't have to touch the last and the first bracket. You're going to simply click enter after the first bracket and paste that JSON configuration file. Once done, simply save this and go back. Next, you're going to simply restart your Roblox Studio. And after a while, when you go to the three dots again and go to manage MCP servers, you'll be able to see Claude appear right below Quick Connect. So you can simply enable the Claude extension and enjoy using Claude in Roblox Studio. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.